Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. First of all, I would like to express my thanks to AJI-SHIO for sponsoring this particular video. This is going to be a Chinese New Year video, and they are very generously going to sponsor 3 lucky draws, which is worth 88 ringgit cash voucher each. If you want to know how to get the 88 ringgit Angpow from AJI-SHIO, I will actually explain along the way, so make sure you watch throughout the whole video, okay? And a little bit about AJI-SHIO. It has the really right balance between the peppery flavor and also salt, and with a nice aroma to it. And it's very easy to, very convenient to use it. So remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video. So today we are going to make fish maw soup. So let's take a look at what are the ingredients. The yellow pot here is actually the chicken stock. Okay, I make fresh chicken stock for this particular dish. I will show you very quickly later how to make the chicken stock. Then let's look at other ingredients. First of all, of course, is the fish maw. Alright, now different fish maw will actually require different timing to make it soften. The one I'm using only need about less than half an hour. So I suggest you ask the seller how long do you need to soak the fish maw until it is softened. Second thing, always recommended to use hot water, so that you can, the hot water is not only going to help you to soften the fish maw, but also is going to help you to remove the excessive oil from the fish maw. So okay, I have about one bowl of fish maw here, cut into bite sizes like this. And this is something extra. This is the pork tendon. If you can find it, I actually got it from the wet market. If you can find it, put it in. If you can't, never mind. And then I have some shiitake mushroom, Japanese shiitake mushroom, soak until it is softened and cut it into thin slices as well. Of course, we have some shredded chicken. This is actually from the chicken stock I made just now, right? So this is the imitation crab meat, also thin slices. This is the carrot, half a big carrot here, thin slices also. This is wood ear, and this is green onion, also cut it into thin slices and soak it under cold water. And you will also need a little bit of egg and cornstarch towards the end, because this is going to be a very starchy dish. So let me quickly show you how to make the chicken stock. Just very quickly showing you how I do the chicken stock. So I have approximately, I have one chicken inside, approximately 1 kg, and the water is about 2 to 2.5 liter. Usually my ratio I use when I make stock is between 1 kg of ingredient, 1 ratio ingredient to about 2 ratio of water. 1 stalk of green onion. I'm not sure if you all can see what I have actually put inside. I have some green onion here. This is a few pieces of shallot, and also a little bit of fresh coriander. If you have fresh coriander roots, it's even better. I run out of fresh coriander roots. This is some crushed ginger, and just all this, no other seasoning. And I'm going to bring this to a boil. Once it is boiled, I'm going to turn it down to medium-low heat to let it simmer for minimum about 1.5 hours. And of course, while you are making this, you can actually sieve out. You can actually sieve out the scums. Okay, every 10-20 minutes, you can actually sieve out the scums like this. This whole chicken, you're bound to have these scums. Okay. All right. Then after 2.5 hours, simmer under low medium heat. The chicken stock is ready to be used. Now that the chicken stock is ready, we can start combining everything together. This dish is really the preparation part, take a long time, but after that, very fast. So I'm going to start with using some garlic oil. You can just use normal vegetable oil. For 2 to 3 tablespoons. We want to saute some of the ingredients to start with, especially I'm going to put in half. This is about 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. I'm putting half first, leaving the half for garnishing towards the end. I forgot to on the fire. And then you want to saute this as well. The carrot. Not forgetting the shiitake mushroom soak. The rest, no need so fast. Let's saute this first. By sauteing these two, you will immediately smell the nice fragrance coming up. Some more, I'm actually using the garlic oil, it's even more fragrant. Saute this for a minute or so before we continue. We'll come back shortly. So this is after a minute plus sauteing. Now I can actually put in the wood here. The shredded chicken. If you find it's a little bit too dry, you can actually add a little bit of oil or water, actually, no problem. Now I can actually start pouring the soup over. We have the pure chicken soup, chicken stock. You can see the beautiful color already coming up. This is partly from the chicken stock, partly from the carrot. See, gold color. And now I'm going to put in the fish maw, the pork tendon. We definitely need more soup. Put in the soup until it is fully covered. Yeah, all the ingredient is fully submerged under the soup. And then I'm going to let this simmer for at least 15 minutes. Last but not least, the imitation crab meat. We still have some green onion. I'll put part of the green onion right now and the rest for garnishing towards the end. Right? It already looks really good. I'm going to let it simmer for about 15 minutes under medium heat. Then we will do some final seasoning. It's basically done. Very simple, isn't it? We'll come back shortly. Alright, while waiting for it to simmer, very nice, isn't it? Now, let me tell you how you can win some extra Angpow. So, this is going to be a name your cooking apa dish creatively contest. Meaning, I have a fish maw soup here. Can you please give me suggest some very creative name and comment it in the post, yeah, in the comment section. And we will 3 days later, after this video is posted, 3 days later after this video is posted, we are going to choose 3 winners. 3 winners. And these 3 winners can win 88 ringgit Angpow from AJI-SHIO. Alright, not very difficult. I will put the information on how you can win inside the description box also. Okay, this is after about 15 minutes simmering under medium or medium-low heat. We can do some final seasoning right now and also starch this particular dish. Look how golden color the whole dish is. Very beautiful, yeah, very on for your Chinese New Year, definitely. I'm going to put in about 1 tablespoon of rock sugar here, optional, up to you whether you want to put or not. Then I'm going to put in a little bit of salt just to give it some basic flavor first. We still have the AJI-SHIO white pepper. I haven't put in yet. Oh, super fragrant, and I love this golden color. Now we are going to starch the dish. Off the fire. I have about 4 teaspoons of cornstarch with about double the amount of water. Some people, actually this dish is supposed to be extremely starchy, but if you know Appa doesn't really like my dish too starchy. I prefer more soupy than starchy. So if you want to add more starch, no problem. But in my case, you will notice my dish is usually not very starchy. As you can see here, not very starchy also. And I'm going to put in the egg. Right, you can start seeing the eggs is forming up like the smooth egg effect. You can only get the smooth egg effect after you add in the starch. Yeah, you don't put the egg first, you put the starch first. It's almost done. Let me transfer this to a serving bowl. Actually, it's more like a serving pot rather than a serving bowl. I got this very cute serving pot. Mumu year, yeah, Mumu year this year. I got it from, I think from Aeon Mid Valley, something like that. Okay, put it on, this is about 1 liter. I think go for about 2 to 3 person. And what I'm going to put, we are going to heat it up. What we do here is, we have the white pepper, give it a few dashes on top. And some raw garlic on top. Ooh, so why raw garlic is going to give it extra spice. Of course, if you cannot take, if you don't like it, you don't have to. And some sliced green onion on top, together with the mumu, and heat it up. Okay, done. Alright, so Appa's fish maw, this year's fish maw soup is done. I hope you find this helpful to you. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook. Oh, by the way, I almost forgot. This white pepper here from AJI-SHIO provides you the right balance between peppery flavor and also salt. Yeah, and it has a good, nice aroma, and it is so convenient to use. Okay, so if you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Happy New Year, everyone! Don't forget to suggest a very creative name for this dish in the comment section. You will stand a chance to win 88 ringgit Angpow from AJI-SHIO. Thank you very much. Bye bye.